prospects of multilateral cooperation in the future. The Assembly today witnessed noisy scenes over the Memorandum of Understanding (MOU) signed between Meghalaya and Assam on the 6 out of 12 areas of differences for the first phase of border settlement. Chief Minister Conrad Sangma, during the question hour on the 4th day of the autumn session, had rejected the plea to review the MOU. Chief Minister reiterated that the question of reviewing the MOU does not arise. According to Sangma, the MOU is the result of multiple factors and multiple meetings. However, the stand of the Chief Minister has irked North Shillong MLA Adelbert Nongrum, who in an emotional outburst questioned the government's intention. Deputy Chief Minister Preston Tinsong intervened and asked Nongrum not to dramatize the situation, while the Speaker asked the members to keep the decorum of the House.
Let him name that 12. Why I was telling the Honourable Member to name the areas of differences is because sometimes this happens, sir. We become emotional about some issue, not even knowing the areas of differences, not even knowing the villages, not even knowing the sentiment of the people out there, not even knowing what has actually gone into it. If there are areas of concern that are there, please name them. Tell us which area you're talking about. This is a serious matter. We are here for serious discussion. We are ready to answer all the questions. We're ready to take the talks forward. But please be specific and give us constructive opinions, even if it may be criticism.
Deputy Chief Minister Preston Tinsong today told the